If your Chamberlain garage door opener is throwing error code 46, telling you the sensors are misaligned, even though both sensors show a solid green light, you're not alone. This error can be really confusing because it often doesn't mean what it says. Let's walk through how to fix it. First, let's clear up what's happening. Error 46 is supposed to mean your safety sensors aren't aligned. Normally, you'd check if the sensors are facing each other, wipe the lenses clean, and make sure the wires are connected properly. But here's the catch. Sometimes the sensors are perfectly fine, yet the opener still throws this error. That's exactly what happens when the travel limits aren't programmed correctly. Travel limits tell your garage door how far it should open and close. If they're off, the opener can get confused and throw the wrong error message. Here's how you fix it. Reset the travel settings. On your opener, press the middle button and then press the up button for the door starts to move. Let it run all the way up, then press the button again to lock in the open position. Next, let it run all the way down, and press the button again to set the closed position. Next, let the opener run a full test cycle. The system will check both directions and save the limits. Make sure nothing blocks the sensors during this final test cycle. Sometimes even a hanging cord or object can interrupt the beam for a split second and cause the test to fail. Once you finish programming the travel limits properly, the sensor's misaligned error should disappear. So if you're seeing error 46 with solid green lights on your sensors, don't waste hours swapping parts or chasing wires. Just reset and reprogram the travel. It's a simple fix, but one that can save you a lot of frustration. And if you find a different trick that works, share it, because chances are someone else is dealing with the same issue.